So here today I have a brand new pressure cooker called Simpot by Simfonio.
This is Simpot by Simfonio, a multifunctional electric pressure cooker. You can do so much with this beauty, from cooking porridge, sautéing, steaming, boiling eggs, cooking rice, slow cook, making soup, pressure cook, hence the name, and then pasteurizing yogurt, and so on. Now, let's give it a try. Here I'm gonna boil some eggs. Fill in the Simpot with water as needed. Close the lid, turn clockwise to lock in properly. Plug it in. Turn the knob and select egg. Press start, then set the time as you desire. It will start preheating and then start the cooking process right after. Once done, it will beep and then carefully release the steam hole to venting. Now make sure your hand is not on top of the steam hole to avoid burning yourself. After that, press cancel and unplug the cable. Alright, now let's see how the eggs turned out. It came out perfect and so easy to peel.